became the illest. What happened? Phony MCs is getting finished. What happened? Face defeat and we the winners. Wicked with the lyrics in a minute, you're diminished. What happened? DMD became the illest. What happened? Phony MCs is getting finished. What happened? Face defeat and we the winners. Wicked with the lyrics in a minute, you're diminished. What up is? Hang with the hardest motherfuckers. I got rhymes by the buckets, make you niggas wanna suck it. Look, I'm the epitome of God gifted. When I busted my first rap, the whole planet shifted. Your mind to the next best hemisphere, next level shit. So you best to just step it in. Check my gear. I got flavor, mad hip hop. I'm in front of the roughest neighborhood and I get shot.
Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about verb+gerund, verb patterns. Some verb phrases and verbs are followed by a gerund. For example, adore, advise, avoid, can hurt, consider, dislike, enjoy, feel like, finish, imagine, keep, mind, miss, practice, quit, risk, regret, suggest, understand. My teacher always offers a thing at school. I can't help laughing in class. Do you enjoy working here? My grandmother keeps losing her glasses. She does it every day. A friend of mine risks losing his job doing stupid things. I don't feel like dancing. Verb plus infinity. Some verbs are followed by an infinitive. Agree, ask, decide, expect, forget, hope, learn, mean, need, offer, plan, promise, refuse, seem, wait, want, which. Oh no, I forgot to lock the door. I really want to learn to drive. Some verbs combine with a gerund or infinitive with a little change in the meaning. Some common verbs are begin, continue, hate, like, love, prefer, start. She started driving when she was 17. Mozart started to play the piano when he was 3. The meal started to smell bad because he was in the sun. He continued talking for hours. I am continuing to learn new things every day. Use the infinitive has the second verb is the first verb is in the ing form. If the second verb is a stay verb. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This was all for tonight. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.
and we the winners. Wicked with the lyrics in a minute, you're diminished. What happened? WD became the illest. What happened? Phony MCs is getting